Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily add in like a zoom in effect to your videos without having to use keyframes. Super simple. You're just going to add your video to the track, go to effects and go to video effects and go to lens, and here you can choose from zoom lens or mini zoom. So let's try the mini zoom first. This actually zooms it like a lot of times, but you can adjust the speed. I think this one makes it slower, and you can also change the range of the zoom as well. But if you just wanted to zoom in and not like have that bouncy effect, I suggest you using the zoom lens one. Here you can adjust the speed of it. Go left to make it go slower, go right to make it go faster. You can also adjust the range as well here. If you want it to zoom in like to be like zoomed in more, I guess. But that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!